Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm on the Crown Princess, and I'm getting off today in Mo'orea, Tahiti. And so you have to do a tender, and so you have to get in line. You have to get a thing that gives you a pass. So this is mine. I'm on group 2. And so you always want to be in group 1 so that you can get off as fast as you can and spend as much time on the island as you can. But I'm going to spin the camera around and I'll show you how many people are sitting here waiting for the tenders to come. And then I'll share the whole tender experience with you, boarding the boat and then taking it over to the island and everything else. And so you understand what a tender's like. And you know, that way you know what to expect when you get on your next cruise. So here, let me show you what the room looks like. So you can see all the people, you know, just waiting, and there's probably a good few hundred people here, and this is just one section. And so and then there's the maitre d', so everybody lines up outside, and this is the guy that's in charge of the tickets. And so you can see all the tickets, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the tickets. And so again, look at it, goes all the way up to 51. Can you see that, guys? And so you don't want to be ticket number 51. You'd rather be in the top at least 3. So anyway, but so this is what we start with. And so we will get on the boat here soon, but they offer refreshments and everything else. And they've got orange juice and water, and you know, they don't let you starve while you're waiting. And you know, I've been sitting here for an hour already, so it's the way it is for tenders. You got to be fast. Cool, everybody. Okay, that's it. I'll start up here again in a second. Okay, everybody. Now it's been, I don't know, probably 45 minutes, but now the place is just filling up. Now I'd say there's probably hundreds and hundreds, you know, 500 people waiting to get on the tender. And so it's certainly crazy. And this is just one restaurant area, not all the restaurants. So all the restaurant areas are just full. And so you can just see everybody waiting for their turn. Oh, they're going to make an announcement, so it might be my turn. Okay, that's it, everybody. Wow. So the rule of thumb is, if you're going to do a tender, you be first in line. You don't want to be last in any way, shape, or form. Okay, everybody, that's it. I'll be back. Bye. Okay, everybody, this is the line to get to the tender. And so all these people are standing in line waiting to get to the boat. And so they called all these people. Everybody say hello. Hello. All these people are waiting to get on the tender as well. And so you have to have your number, and then we're going for there. And you can see I got people looking at the camera too. So anyway, number 2. All right, I'll be back, everybody. Okay, everybody, this is us boarding the tender. And so I'm trying to get on top because I want to be able to film, but we'll see how this all goes. So, but this is the tender, and this is us boarding. And I think I'm going to try to get on top if I can do it. So, is there room up there? No. Oh well. More, man.
What's your step?
This is the top part, and this is the bottom part. And I'll tell you another secret: get as close to the entrance as you can. And let's see here. Let's do over there. All right. Okay, everybody, when I did the tender coming across, the top was full. So now I'm going back to the ship, and I got here early enough to get a top seat. So let me turn this camera around and I'll show you what it's like crossing with the tender to the ship. And it's the same thing coming this way too, but I'll show you. And so the bottom is, oop, that didn't work. Let me turn this camera around again. The bottom is pretty full, and you can see everybody down there. And it's the same this way too. and I'll film this going across. So we're about ready to leave here any second now. Cool. All right, I'll be right back, everybody. All right, everybody. And we're backing out now and heading over to the ship. You can see the ship over there. And so it's like a 10-minute ride or something. And there's the captain right there, sticking his head out, making sure we don't hit nothing. And it looks like it's much smoother now than it was this morning, which is really nice. And the line of people to get on the boat is pretty big. They just pulled in 2 big buses full of people, so 50 people a bus, so. And you can see there's more tender buses coming, or tender boats coming to take people back to the ship. And I think each one of these holds like 150 people, give or take, 136. I don't have any idea, but I'm just guessing. So here we go. And it really is much smoother now than it was this morning. And this is what a tender is. And I've done tenders that were so rough that it was actually, people got sick. And I've also done tenders that were just perfect. And this one's going to be, I think, just perfect. And the view's amazing. You're fine. Gorgeous. It really has been a wonderful day. Snorkeling and swimming with sharks and manta rays and turtles and every fish under the sun. Pretty incredible. You're fine. bottom of the Princess, right in the very middle, there's 2 platforms. That's where we dock at. You can see all the stay rooms. So there's like 3,000, 3,200 guests, I think, and like engineers, staff, or something, but really close to 5,000 people. Use lifesaver boats. Alright everybody, now you know what it's like to tender from a ship to the port and from the port to the other one. Security warning, keep 15 meters away.